Sagittarius, my fire babies, positive vibes, motivation, inspiration, elevation, love, light, positive energy, goodwill, peace and healing, abundance and prosperity all your way. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe if this page has been a blessing to you. Check out my link tree. The link is in the bio. I do have some treats for you. Your word of the day is I am the light. Light up and shine, baby, shine. Shine like a diamond, shine like the sun, because you are the North Star. You are that light, the lighthouse, the torch that everyone's walking and following behind to get out their wilderness, to find their way to freedom, to get out of their stormy weathers, to get out of the troubled waters. They're following your example. So we need you to stand up, be bold with your intuition. And you didn't come this far to stop. You don't have the thoughts that you have for you to double guess or triple guess yourself, or not even have the confidence. We need you to trust yourself, execute, and then take yourself to the highest level, because you're helping so many people and so many of us are watching and you're guiding us out. I always have hope no matter the ordeal. I have faith in a better future. I turn darkness into light. With your fire, you're able to light up the darkness and then show us the proper path, how to get our way out. I open my heart to others and God, and I am spiritually strong. I draw light to me, and I shine with all my being, and I become that safety light, not only for myself to guide me along my way, but for those that are watching, and there's so many people watching, knowingly or unknowingly. Love one another. Be kind to one another. Love yourself. I love you too.